the next chapter, which is the third chapter, indices. Now let us know what is the meaning of indices. Okay, in this chapter we will learn the meaning of indices and how to calculate this form of questions. Look over here, we have already solved in the next previous chapter, which is squares and square root. We have solved this type of numbers. In this I told you this is a base, right? 3 is the base over here. And what does 2 represent? I always said that 3 raised to 2. But that raised to, this has some name. This name is called as index. From this word index, the name of this chapter indices is derived. Now let us understand what is index. Can index be only in the form of square, which is 2? The answer is no. It can be any form, like I say 4 raised to 5. This is called as what? 4 is equal to base. The number in the bigger size and at the bottom is called as base. And the number above it is called as index. Over here 5 is index. So this is what indices consist of. Now, okay, we have understood what is indices. Now how to solve this type of questions, that also we will understand. Look over here. If I say like in squares and square root we have learned, if there is any number, for example 4 raised to 2, what we did, we multiplied 4 2 times, because over here we have got 2, that is we wrote like this, 4 into 4, and we wrote the answer as 16. The same we have to do here, do over here. For example, I say 20 raised to 2 means what? 20 into 20, because over here we have 2, so 20 into 20, which comes to what? 400. Now let us take another example. Now let us see 3 raised to 3. What we will do over here, we have seen in the square root, if there was 2, we have multiplied it by 2, the number itself 2 times. Now over here we have 3 at the index form, so what we will do, we will multiply the base, the number is given in the index form. So over here there is a base 3, we will multiply the base how many times? The times given in the index place. So over here what we will do, we will multiply 3 times, that is 3 3 3. 3 3 is the 9, 9 is the 27. So we have 27 over here. So that is the way of solving such type of indices called as index form or indices. Now look over here, in exercise number 5, we will understand it more. But before solving this exercise, we should know how to read this fraction. It is 3 raised to 3. For example, if I say 5 and 4, so it is read as 5 raised to 4. Any number, like if I say, let us take 100 raised to 18. So what we will, 100 and 18 in the index form, 100 in the base and 18 in the index. So what we will read this fraction as 100 raised to 18. Simply the number in the base should be read individually, and the number in the index form will be read with raised to. Now let us solve the question. Over here in exercise number 5, we have 5 questions. Now look over here, 5 raised to 4. Now let us tell me how it is read as. It is read as 5 raised to 4. It is written as 5 raised to 4. Simple, isn't it? Now we have to write its product form. What is the product form? I have told you, if there is 3 raised to 2, how we used to write this? We have to write this 3 into 3, because 2 is over here and base is 3. So 3 we have written 2 times. Means what? जो नंबर बेस में दिया है उसको लिखना है, and जो नंबर इंडेक्स फॉर्म में दिया है उसको उतने टाइम्स लिखना है. That's it. So look over here. What is the product form of this 5 raised to 4? It is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Why this? Because in the base we have 5 and in the index we have 4. Means what, we have to write 5 4 times. Now let us see. They have asked you what is base. Over here tell me what is base. I already told you this is the base. So base is what? 5. And what is index? Index is 4. Now they are asking you the value. Value means what? What is the answer of the product form is known as value. So let us solve. See over here we have 5 raised to 4. So let us copy this question, 5 raised to 4. Now what they are expecting? They are expecting you to find 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5s are how much? 25. And 5 5s are 25. I have grouped this 5 5s and 5 5s. You can also solve 5 5s 25 into 5 into 5. But it is simple, like 25 into 25. So 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 11, 12. So 125, cross over here, 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. So we have 5 over here, 2 over here, 6 over here. Means what? What is the value of this number? What is the value of this index form of question? It is 625. So let us write the value, which is 625. Now let us start with the next question. Okay. In the next question, the question is same, but we have the value as 15 raised to 2. Now tell me how is it read as? It is read as 15 raised to 2. That is 15 raised to 2. Don't misunderstand, this is TO2 and this is the number 2 because we have over here in the index form as 2. So it is read as 15 raised to 2. Now tell me what is the product form of this. We have solved over here, right? It is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 for this question. So for this question what it will be? Tell me what is the base? Base is 15. So we have to write what? 15. And how many times we have to write this? 2 times. So it is 15 into 15. Now tell me what we have done with the read as and product form. Now tell me what is the base. Now only just I said 15 is the base because it is the number in bigger size and at the bottom. So what we will write? Base is equal to 15. And index. Now they are asking for index. Index is what? Look over here. ऊपर क्या दिया है? 2. So what is index? 2. I already said you. If this is the type of question, this will be base. जो नंबर बड़ा है और नीचे दिया हुआ है लाइन को टच करते हुए, that is base. And the number above it representing how many times it has to be multiplied is index, and it is written in relatively smaller size and it is written above it. Like THB right now, 15th. That is the size of this 2 and it is above it. Okay. So that is what index is. Index represents how many times it should be multiplied to get the answer. For simple form, if I say 1000, instead of writing 3 times 0, we can write this as 100 cube. Means what? 10 cube means what? 10 into 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1000. Isn't it? Instead of writing 1000, I have written 10 raised to 3. Means what? It is a simple form to write so that it occupies less space. Now the number is smaller. When the number goes on increasing, now index form help us to simplify the space required. Okay. Now let us now what is remaining? The value. Over here in this question they are asking for the value also. We have already seen that the what is the multiplication form or the product form, 15 into 15. We have also seen what is the base. Base of this question is 15 because 15 is larger in size and at the bottom. And we have raised 2. Why 2? Because it is given in the question, but what it is? It is index because it is over here, relatively smaller in size and above 15. So that is what? Index. Now tell me what is the value of this question. See, the question is 15 into 2 means what? 15 raised to 2 means what? 15 into 15. Now let us solve. What is the 15 square? 15 into 15. 5 5 are 25. 5 1 is 5, 6, 7. Simple multiplication you have to do. 1 5 is 5, 1 1 is 1. 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 225. So the answer for this is what? Value is equal to 225. Now let us solve another question. Similar type of question. In this what we have to write? Same. Read as product form, base, index and value. So let us start with the next question, which is third question. 1 raised to 7. How it is read as? 1 raise, R-A-I-S-E, raise, T-O-2, 7. Because over here in the base we have 1 and in the index we have 7. So it is read as 1 raised to 7 because 1 is the base. So mainly how to read it as base raised to index. So understood how to read it, how to read the given question. Now what we will find? We will find the product form. In first two questions what we have done? जो बेस है उसको लिखा है एंड जो इंडेक्स है उसको उतने टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया. दैट इज व्हाट द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म इज. Over here it is 5:4 means what we have written 5 4 times and we have written a multiplication sign in between. Over here also we have 15 has a base and 2 has an index. So what we did? We have written 15 2 times and a multiplication sign in between them. So over here we will do the same. We will write 1 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and a multiplication sign between all of them. Product means what? Multiplication. So product form अगर बोला है तो क्या होना चाहिए? Multiplication में होना चाहिए. That is what we have done over here. 1 is written 7 times and multiplication sign between them representing the product form. Now tell me what is the base. Over here look at the question. कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है and नीचे है? 1. So what is base? Base is 1. So that only we have to write base is equal to 1. And what is index? Index as I said बेस के कंपैरिजन में छोटा होता है ऊपर होता है. So over here we have 7 because 7 is relatively smaller than 1, smaller in size than 1 and it is written above 1. So what is index? Index is 7. Now tell me what is the value. It is like 1 into 1 into 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 times multiply 1, what will get? 1 into 1 comes to 1 only. So 1 1 is 1, 1 is 1. So ultimately the answer is what? 1. So that is what the value is. So value is equal to what? 1. Now let us solve the next question. It is 2 raised to 5. So what it is read as? 2 raised to 5. 2 number form. You can even write like this also. TWO, 2 raised to Fi by E, 5. Or you can write in the number form also 2 raised to 5. So this is what it is read as. Now tell me what is the product form. Product form what we did? Writing the base, how many times index is there. So over here we have 2 raised to 5. So what we will do? We will multiply 2 how many times? 5 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now multiply all of them. It is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4 into 2. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 2 comes to what? 32. So what is the answer of this? 32. So value is equal to 32. Now tell me over here what is a base and what is an index. The number greater in size, bigger in size is what? Base. So over here we have 2 and the number smaller in size is the index. So what we have over here? It is 5.
No more spending your energy and money on coaching classes or missing classes for rain, for rally, and any other nonsense. Subjects covered by multiple teachers with repeat telecast. Doubts, concepts, applications, no problem. All explained through great and significant animation. So sit back comfortably in your home and watch Study Spectrum TV channel.
Now over here we have in the base we have 2. Why 2? Because it is bigger in the size and at the bottom. And in the index form what we have 5 because it is relatively smaller in size and above the 2, which is above the base. So here what is the base? Base is what? 2. And what is index? Index is what? Look over here, it is 5. And we got the value as 32. So now let us start with the next question. In the next question, in the fifth question we have 10 raised to 3. That is what the read as. What it is read as? It is read as 10 raised to 3. 10 raised to 3 or 10 raised to 3. This is what it is read as. Now tell me what is the product form. What is the product form? The number in the base should be repeated how many times? The number given in the index. So see, look over here. In the base what we have? The base we have 10. And in the index what we have? In the index we have 3. So how many times this base has to be repeated? This base 10 has to be repeated 3 times because 3 is given in the index form. So what is the product form? 10 into 10 into 10. That is 10 we have written 3 times and a multiplication sign. Look over here, 2 times. The number is 3 and in between we have multiplication sign. So this is what product form. Now what we have to write? We have to write the base. Look in the question, which is the number larger in size? 10, because it is at the base. See, the word base itself only represents that it is base. Base means kya? Niche ekdam. Means the base of it. So what is the base over here? 3 का base क्या है? 10 है, because 10 is at the bottom. So what is base? Base is 10. And what is index? Index means what? A relatively smaller, a number relatively smaller in size and above the base. So above the base, above 10, what it is? It is 3. So what is index? Index is 3. Now tell me what is the value? Value means what? Product form solve करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है, that is value. So look over here, we have 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. So what is the value? Value is 1000. So clear with this exercise. This is very simple. Just what we have to write is what it is read as. Read as तो same है. बस first number को see over here we have 10 raised to 3. तो क्या किया हमने? पहले नंबर को बेस से रिप्लेस किया. बेस क्या है? 10 है. तो what we have written 10 raised to as it is. सब क्वेश्चन में सेम ही है, raised to, and index फॉर्म में जो होगा वो नेक्स्ट यहाँ पे नंबर आएगा. सेकेंडली what we did, प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म. तो जो बेस है उसको कितने बार लिखा? जितने बार इंडेक्स है. अब हियर वी हैव 10 3. तो कितने बार लिखेंगे 10 को? 10 को 3 बार लिखेंगे. सो दिस इज व्हाट प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म. रिमेंबर इन प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म दे आर नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग द आंसर. सिर्फ उसको रिप्रेजेंट कैसे करना है वो दिखाना है. तो सिर्फ 10 को 3 बार लिखना है बिकॉज 10 raised to 3. नाउ अनदर वर्ड इट इज बेस. दे आर आस्किंग यू व्हाट इज बेस. सो ओवर हियर टेल मी व्हाट इज अ बेस. 10 is the base because 10 बड़ा नंबर है. बड़ा नंबर in not in the numerical line, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. No, not that. It is 10 bigger in size means what? उसका size font बड़ा है. Look over here. 3 मैंने छोटे font में लिखा है and 10 बड़े font में लिखा है. So that is what I am trying to say, tell you. Size means font. Over here size means what? Font. So over here what is base? The number bigger in font. Over here what is base? 5 because वो बड़े से लिखा है ना मैंने. Over here we have 15. Over here we have 1. Even though 1 is smaller than 7 in numerical line, but 1 is the base. Why? Because वो font बड़ा है ना 1 का. So that is what I am saying. Base is what? The number bigger in font. Over here what it is? It is 10. And index is what? The number smaller and above it is index. Mainly index का मतलब होता है रिपीटेशन. कितने बार रिपीट करना है. Over here 3 है तो हमने 3 टाइम बेस को रिपीट किया है. So that is what index is. But to understand more clearly, I am telling you relatively smaller in size. Now tell me what is the value. Value क्या होगा? Product form का जो answer होगा ना will be the value. So over here 10 into 10 into 10 comes to what? 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000. Simply 1 के आगे 3 0 डालना है क्योंकि 10 3 times the word 10 is repeated. So over here what will be the answer? The answer will be 1000. So this is what we have to understand in this indices. And remember, there are also some names given to this raised to. Over here look, if I say 10 raised to 2, this 2 is called as square and also read as square of 10. Square of 10 or square of base. And if I say 10 raised to 3, it is also known as cube and cube of the base, which is over here in this question what it is? 10. Only this 2 and 3 are discovered. In 2 we have square and in 3 we have cube. Rest all the numbers, if I say 10 and above it a 4, index 4. So what I will say, normally जैसे हम बोलते हैं 10 raised to 4. इसको हम ऐसे भी बोल सकते हैं 10 raised to 2, or you can say square of 10. Both are correct. And over here we can also say 10 raised to 3, or we can say cube of 10. They are both the sentence meaning are the one and the same. So clear with this questions. Exercise number 6. In this exercise we are given some questions. This is question number 1. In this question we have given some sub questions. What you have to do is you have to write the product form of these questions and how it is read as. Like previous question. Previous question was comparatively more informative or more lengthier than this. In that we also have to write what is base, what is index, what is the value. But in this question you just have to write what? You just have to write what it is read as and what is the product form of it. Means you don't have to find the value. You don't have to find the answers of this question. You just have to write the product form and you just have to write how it is read as. Now look at this question. What it is read as. First we will do what it is read as, then we can write the product form. What can be how it is read as? 10 raised to 7, right? It is read as 10 raised to 7 because in the base we have 10 and in the index we have 7. We can also read it as 7 to the power 10. Okay, so that is what we have to write it. But we will start with only one only, that is 10 raised to 7, because it is more clear and you will not mess up with the power 2. So what we will do is 10 raised to 7. This is what it is read as, 10 raised to 7. And what is the product? What another question they are asking is write the product form of it. So product form means what? As I said, the 10 should be repeated the times given in the index. That is in the base what we have 10, and how many times it should be repeated, that is given in the index form. So 10 should be repeated how many times? 7 times. So that only we will do is 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have repeated 10 how many times? 7 times. This is what they are asking. How it is read as and the product form of it. Now let us move on to the next question. In the next question we have minus 4 raised to 6. How it is read as? Minus 4 raised to 6. Base, first what we have to write? We have to write the base. What is the base? Minus 4. So minus 4 raised to, what is given in the index form? In the index form we have 6. So minus 4 raised to 6. And what is the product form of this question? I will show you over here. It is minus 4. Over here you cannot eliminate minus sign. You have to write minus sign. And how many times we have to write this? 6 times. Because in the index what we have? 6. Base and then times index. So over here base minus 4 and how many times? 6 times. So minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. So we have written base how many times? Index times. Base index times is the product form. So our here base is -4 and 7 times writing the base with the multiplication sign is what? Product form. Now let us move on to the next question. 9 raised to 3. What it is read as? 9 raised to 3. So 9 raised to 3. I've told you in the previous exercise, when there is a 3 or 2 in the index form, we can also read as 9's cube or cube of 9. Cube of 9. Okay, so both these formats are right, but more preferably because they are asking you how it is read as, and this is more advanced, that is, or more specific. Cube of 9 means what? 9 raised to 3, because cube means what? Only and only 3. Over here in all we are writing raised to, so there is no, but see, if I say a person has some specific characteristics, okay, so it is better to write that characteristic instead of writing what all the numbers has. So 3 has what special characteristics? It is also called as cube. So what you will write? Try to focus to write this characteristic, which is cube. So we will write what? Cube of 9. Cube of 9, that is 9 raised to 3. What is the product form of this? Writing 9 how many times? Index time, which is 3. So 9 into 9 into 9. Writing this 9 how many times? 3 times. Now let us move on to the next question, which is the fourth question. In this we have m raised to 8. Now tell me, till now we were having what? We were having a number. Like over here 10 raised to 7. Both of these are number, right? Natural numbers from 0 to, or indexes, or this what? Indices, that is all the numbers. But over here what we have? The alphabet M. Okay, what is M? M is an alphabet from which is between what? A to Z, and it is not included in the number line. So what we have to do the same which we were doing in the previous questions. This is what? This is a base. So how many times this base should be repeated? Index time. And how it is read as? It is read as same. M raised to 8. Getting m raised to 8. Like we were writing over here. 9 raised to 3. 9 raised to 3. Over here same. M raised to 8. Then what is the product form of this? M 8 times. Over here what we were doing na? Same, similarly. Ignore, भूल ही जाओ कि m एक alphabet है, ABCD में से. You just have to think that m is one of the number and you have to write the same. So what we will do? M 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have written 8 how many times? Index time, which is 8. So now let us move on to the next question. In the fifth question we have 1.5 raised to 2. But it does not make any difference whether it is negative, positive, either the number is in the form of decimal or anything. What you have to do is simply follow this format, which is read as and product. जैसे हम all सब questions में करते हैं ना, वैसे blindly just copy we are doing. What over here it is? -4 raised to 2 means what? How it is read as? -4 raised to 2. और दूसरा फॉर्म क्या है? मैंने बोला ना 2 और 3 को एक स्पेशल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक और स्पेशल वर्ड इज गिवन. Square. Over here what we will write is square of 1.4, because we have 2. 1.4 raised to 2. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 2 को स्क्वायर लिखेंगे. Square of 1.2, because over here see raised to means what? ऊपर जो नंबर है. While writing in this format na, square or cube format, we will write the name first. Over here we will write what? 2 first. So what is the similar name to 2 given? Square. So what we will write? Square. Square of the base, which is 1.4. Over here what we have? We have 3 in the index form. So what is the another name for 3? Cube. So cube of and the base. Over here we have the base 9. So I have replaced the base with the number 9. Is this clear? Now what we have to write? We have to write the product form. Over here minus 4 how many times? 2 times. So what we will write? Minus 4, multiplication sign in between, and again minus 4, because they have asked you minus 4 how many times? Index time, which is 2. Now let us move on to the next question, which is the 6th question. In this we have the number in the form of fraction, that is p by q. In p we have one number and in q we have one number, p divided by q or p by q. Over here we have 2 by 5. This is raised to what? 4. So how it is read as? It is simply read as the earlier one, which is 2 by 5 raised to, what is there in the index form? 4. So what it is raised to? It is raised to 4. Now tell me what is the product form of this? The product form of this is 2 by 5. How many times? Look over here. 4 times. And a multiplication sign in between all of them. So 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5 into 2 by 5. प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस में हमने क्या किया था? बेस को कितने बार लिखा था? जितना ऊपर इंडेक्स में जितना टाइम्स दिया है उतना टाइम्स लिखा था. सेम वी हैव डन ओवर हियर. नो चेंज. सिर्फ यहाँ पे फ्रैक्शन है तो हमने फ्रैक्शन के फॉर्म में लिखा है. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? इंडेक्स में कितना दिया है? 4. सो वी हैव रिटन दिस 4 times and a multiplication sign in between all of them. Now let us move on to the next question, which is the 7th question. In this, number तो fraction form में है ही, जैसे पिछले question में दिया था. Also a negative sign is accompanied with this. But अब here look, यहाँ पे भी तो negative sign था, तो क्या हमने blindly वही number copy किया with a negative sign. So here what we will do? We will copy the fraction with a negative sign. So what I will write is 5. Sorry, over here what is the fraction? It is negative 3 by 4. So negative 3 by 4 raised to, in the index form what we have? 5. So raised to 5. And what we will write in the product form? The number multiplied the index times. Over here what is the base? The number means the base. Here we have minus 3 by 4 as the base. So base को कितने बार रिपीट करोगे? जितना इंडेक्स में दिया है 5 times. So and a multiplication sign in between them. So what I will write is negative 3 by 5. See, look over here. Sorry, 3 by 4, which is the base. And how many times it is to be repeated? It is to be repeated 5 times. So minus 3 by 4 multiplied by minus 3 by 4. एक बार हो गया, 2 बार हो गया, 3, 4. How many times it has to be repeated? 5 times. So last time we will write minus 3 by 4. So clear with this what we have done? We have written this base. How many times? जो number index में दिया है index times. So over here this was the base, which is minus 3 by 4, which is to be repeated 5 times. That only I have done. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have repeated 5 times with a negative sign. Okay, and a multiplication mark between all of them, because this is what? Product form. Product means what? Multiplication. So multiplication sign सब में होगा ही बीच में. अगर negative sign दिया है तो उसको भी include करना है. If you are getting confused कि दो sign कैसे साथ में आ रही है, negative and multiplication, what you can do is you can write in the form of simple bracket inside the simple bracket like this. Okay, so that you don't get confused. Means what? Negative sign is accompanied with 4. 4 के साथ वो चिपका हुआ है. It is not the sign which is to be operated. It is negative 4. Now look over here. Also you can form this bracket, simple brackets, because there is a negative sign accompanied with it. So clear?